So we will be doing chapter 8, Thales. It's in the book, page 84. And then we're gonna talk about a theorem, what do we need to have to be able to use a theorem. It's very easy. Normally, we know this one, or we can deduce from the similar triangles, but this year we will not take similar triangles, but it's also very easy to understand even if you don't know similar triangles. So I will start. So all the time, I want to remove this ray. Let me have it. Okay. Now, every time I need to work with Thales, I need to have parallel lines. So when I want to work with Thales, it means I need to have parallel lines. So I have, if you look here, you can see that you have a triangle ABC, and I have a line BNMN parallel to BC. And you can see that you have, as you have two triangles, okay, AMN and ABC. So when you see the two lines, the parallel lines, I can write the ratio, يعني Thales, it means I can deduce the ratio. You start from the vertex, okay, أنا بالvertex. So I do AM over AB, okay. So just put it in your mind. خليني أجرب أعمل بالبنسل. So أنا عم بعمل AM يعني over AB, over the biggest side. I go to the other side, I do the same. AN over AC is equal to the parallel MN over BC. So when I start from the vertex, I have three equal fractions or three proportional expressions. So I have AM over AB is equal AN over AC is equal to MN over BC. طب أكيد sure some of you will ask me, I cannot start with the big one. أكيد I can write AB over AM. It will be equal to AC over AN equal to BC over MN. As I'm switching or I'm flipping the expression. But yes, أكيد I can do it like this. So let me just show you the right. So ABC is a triangle. D is a line parallel to BC, cutting AB in M and AC in N. So we have this relation. So you're gonna write it. You need to draw the triangle as it is. You need to write ABC is a triangle, D is a parallel cutting, and you need to write exactly the same, guys, and write the ratio. Another case. Now, I can have the line outside. Yani it could be this line D, not inside the triangle. It could be out, like this figure. Or here. This one is similar to the preceding one. But even if it's like this, I have the same ratio. How I can see it? You're gonna see here. You're gonna see the three figures, and from the three figures, I have two properties, and I have the three equal proportional sides, and I have two proportional sides. So every time I start from the vertex, again, طلعوا AM over AB is equal AN over AC is equal MN over BC. If I'm here in this figure, هيدي الأكس figure, the vertex, the common vertex هي A. Okay, so في نحط AM. Did you see it? I'm going to the biggest side over AB. بعدني على same line. Now, I start with AM, I go to AN over AC is equal to the parallel now MN over BC. Now even here the same. AM over AB, AN over AC, MN over BC. Now the second ratio, if I didn't start with the main vertex, يعني أنا I can start with M. أكيد فيني بلش من M. But it's the same idea. يعني إذا حطيت أنا MA, what is my mouse here? I can start here. MA over MB, okay, is equal NA over NC, but I cannot say is equal to MN over BC. لأنه هون when I'm doing MA over MB يعني كأنه I'm not working in a triangle, I'm working just with the sides. So إذا بلشت not with the vertex يعني with the parallel, one of the parallel, I cannot write three ratio. MA over MB is equal NA over NC. هون عم بقول أنا MA, I can continue over MB is equal NA over NC. Here the same. If I did MA over MB is equal NA over NC. هلا في for example هون حط كمان CN over CA is equal BM over BA. يعني as I do for the first part, I do for the second part. Okay? Sorry guys. So I repeat again. مثلا هون كان فيني اكتب الريشيو for example CA okay over CN بدي اعمل مثلا from the other side BA over BM. Okay, but when I don't start with the main vertex, يعني هون أنا I start with the vertex A. If I didn't start with the vertex A اللي هو same vertex يعني كأنه أنا here vertex of the triangle, I don't have three proportional, I have just two proportionality fractions. Okay, that is very simple. let's do here. If I want to find the segment AD, for example, if I look at this one, I can write the ratio. First, I have those two parallel أكيد. So I can write AD over AB. Okay, is equal to AE over AC. نكتب DA over DB. Since I want to find AD and DA. So I can write this one. It's enough for me. DA فيني بلش من هون. So I did DA over DB. I need to do the same for the other side. يعني you need to write since DE and BC are parallel. You're going to do it during the classwork using Thales is equal. هلا أنا عملت DA بدي أعمل هون EA over EC. Let me change the color. So DA, it's better. So DA over DB. I do the same from the other side. EA over EC. This is EA over EC. I replace, I need to find DA. Over DB is 5. Is equal, EA is 8. Over EC is 10. Then I just cross multiply. So I will have 10 DA is equal to 40. Now 5 times 8. And DA is equal to 4. 40 over 10, 4. Okay? That's it. It's very simple, guys. You will enjoy this lesson. Let's do another one. I still have the inverse of Thales. If I have, so that's it. Gonna do this example now. Now, inverse of Thales. If I have, consider the triangle ABC. M is a point of AB and N is a point A, such that if, guys, you have AM, two proportionality are enough. And if we have AM over AB is equal to AN over AC, you can deduce directly that the two lines are parallel. So this is the inverse. With Pythagoras, if I have the longest side squared is equal to the other two side squared, so it's right. Hold the same. If I have AM over AB is equal to AN over AC, so I can deduce that those two lines are parallel. How? I'll give you an example. So I have this one, and the question is state whether PQ is parallel to AF. So I will try DP over DE. I'll do it alone. يعني بعمل DP over DE using my calculator. DP هي 3.9 over DE هي 3.9 plus 3 and هي 6.9. Okay, if I take my calculator and do 3.9 divide by 6.9, I will have approximately 0.56. Okay, then I'll do from the other side. DQ, sorry, over DF. I will try to see if it will give me the same answer. 3.6 over, I have DF here, 3.6 plus 2.4. And it's 6. I will try it. Does it give me the same answer? 3.6 over 6 plus 3.6. So if I do 3.6 divided by 6, it will give me 0.6. It's not the same answer. They are not equal. So what can I say? No, they are not parallel. So this is the inverse of Thales. That's it. This is all the lesson. So I'll try to pause. That's it.